it's very special design of the driver. It's like it is built-in driver, and the driver is very easy to move, to install it.
And this driver is isolated driver.
Yes, isolated driver also. Look here.
Yes.
And the lamp print positive and negative. Here, positive and negative. Also, the driver print positive and negative.
Yes.
So just
Yes. Positive to positive and negative to negative.
And then rotate it.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Just turn right and spin 90 angle.
Yes. So this model is very easy to installation.
Yes.
Even our girls, we can install it by ourselves.
Yes. And please, can you explain how to install this lamp?
Yeah. The first we need to here. Look here with some hole for screw. The first one we need to install the driver to the wall with screw.
Yeah.
And then
first, and we can stable the driver with screw.
Yes.
And there are many holes.
Yeah, different holes.
These two holes is the short distance. Shortest distance.
Yes.
Yes, and it can fit the drum box in erect, right?
Yes.
Yes, this whole side. And if your whole side is bigger one, and you can choose
different.
Yes, this hole and this hole also can fit it.
Yes, that means this driver design can meet different hole size requirement, because here is the smaller one and here is the biggest one, different hole size.
Yes, right.
Yeah. The surface. This model is our patent model, and this model is our company only. You can't find it on the market because we spent a lot of time and money to develop it and to test it. So this model, if your market have the demands of surface model, don't hesitate, choose it. You will get more profit. We are confident that for this model.
Yes, this model is only produced by KEOU.
Yeah, this model our company only.
Yes, and we are confident this product can be superstar product on the market.
Yes, this is our superstar model. We are confident that this model will help you to get more market.
Yes, and our product is made by the die casting aluminum base.
Yeah, the backside.
Yes, and also this one is the 3 years warranty.
Sure, 3 years warranty.
Yes, and use the isolated driver can be used safely.
Yes.
Yes, and anti high temperature.
Yes. And after we also have the here is round shape.
Yes, and also make some customer need the square shape.
Yes,
and we also have the square one.
Yeah, here the square shape.
Yes,
the square shape also 3 size and the 3 power.
Yes. And it's the 24 watt and 36 watt and the 48 watt.
Yes.
If my fans and interested, and just contact us, and we can send you the video.
Yeah, we have the install video of this lamp. It can explain to you how to install it right and quickly.
Yes.
Yeah, so if you are interested in this model, welcome to leave message to us. We will provide more production video and picture for you to promote.
Yes, and can get the free sample to test quality first.
Yes, we also have the professional design department. We can
Yes.
also change your logo to help you to promote.
Yes, right.